Unraveling the secrets of passive infinitives in English. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to dive deep into a fascinating part of English grammar. It's something you might not think about often, but once you master it, you'll find it a powerful tool in your English language arsenal. Today's topic is infinitives in passive voice, and specifically, we will concentrate on the structure of passive infinitives. So, let's get started. Before we delve into the structure of passive infinitives, it's essential to know what they are. Passive infinitives are a form of verb that describe an action being done to the subject. They are formed with to be, followed by the past participle of a verb. Examples include to be seen, to be eaten, to be loved, and so on. The primary structure of a passive infinitive is fairly straightforward. To be, plus past participle of the verb. An example sentence could be, the cake is ready to be eaten. In this sentence, the action, eating, is being done to the subject, cake, and thus, we are using a passive infinitive. Another common use of passive infinitives is with modal verbs. Modal verbs are helping verbs that express necessity, possibility, permission, or ability. Examples include can, could, should, might, and must. The structure here is modal verb plus be plus past participle of the verb. For example, the report must be submitted by Friday. In this sentence, must be submitted is a passive infinitive phrase with a modal verb, indicating a necessary action that needs to be done to the subject, report. Passive infinitives can also be used in questions. The structure for this is question word, if necessary, plus to be, plus subject plus past participle of the verb. Here's an example. Who is to be invited to the party? In this question, to be invited is a passive infinitive that refers to the action, inviting, to be done to the subject, who. And there you have it. You've just learned about the structure of passive infinitives in English. This might seem a bit tricky at first, but with practice, it will become second nature. I hope you found this lesson useful and are feeling more confident about using passive infinitives in your English language journey. Until our next lesson, keep practicing and happy learning.